Walking in, you can see I like that water. I guess it's a sit. And the restroom. All these big rooms for eating. Okay, so at this place, you order through your phone. And if you get the all-you-can-eat $4.99 baht version, you get lots of pork, beef, all the seafood, vegetables, almost anything you can want for hot pot. So if you eat your own soup, I chose Tom Yum, the Thai one. So you're going to take the meat, whatever meat you want, put it in, let it cook. Take very long to cook. Personally, I like my food very hot. So once I've cooked it, I put it in my bowl like that. And then you use the sauce to dip it in to eat. So the food came out marinated beef, seafood selection. Look at that. No. Yeah, I do want a picture though. There's the mushroom selection. Selections. You also get your own station for putting together a sauce. And teas to choose from. And sodas. So usually the sauce, you have a sesame paste. Put that in there. We add some green onion. Sometimes we use cilantro. And other things. And I added some extra spice, some peppers, and some chili oil. These are the sesame seeds are in there as well. And green onions. And this is what it looks like when the food is boiling. Some of that is ready to take out. After cooking a lot of meat and vegetables and getting the sauce, having my chrysanthemum tea, you can see the pot is still boiling, waiting for more meat. Now that I've cooked a lot of meat and fish and vegetables, it's time to have a taste. Alright, so let's start with the Tom Yum soup.
Yes, that's good.
So instead of Chinese, we're going for Thai hot pot, and that one tastes similar to lemongrass soup. You can taste the lemongrass in their soup. If you ever had a Thai soup with lemongrass in it, that's kind of what it's going to taste like. We'll see how the vegetables and meat came out with just the soup itself. Now my son got the spicy soup. To his taste here, everyone got a different soup. Everyone's meat tastes a little bit different, soup tastes a little different. But let's start with just plain without any sauce. One of the beefs. There's lots of beef and pork and vegetables in here. So choosing the sauce is important. Because I definitely can taste that lemongrass flavor. If you're not a fan of the sourness from lemongrass, kind of tastes like lemon, but a little bit different, then you should avoid that one. Maybe choose one of the other ones, like the mushroom, or there's a pork bone flavor as well. And now let's go with the sauce as well. So this is also some lotus root. See how lotus root is. Some of that spice in there as well. Yeah. The sauce they made for us is a little sweet. I like a little spice, So it's a great combination of flavors. You got a sesame paste flavor and a lotus. You never had lotus root before? It's very crisp, very tasty. So the sauce to perfection. Let's try some tofu. Tofu. Let's dip it in the sauce. A little spice, a little sweet. Little kick for the spice. You can really taste that flavor in the tofu. And it's all heated up, all good to go. Let's try some more meat. Oh, that meat is very tender, very tasty. We've got a wide selection, wide varieties of meat. They're all tender and tasty. There's some pork, there's some beef in here. Grab out some pork. For like the bacon, but boiled. Try some of that. Oh. Oh yeah, that is very good. That one is excellent. It kind of tastes like bacon. And you're adding the sauce on top of it. That sour, so the sour flavor. Ooh. This is a wonderful hot pot experience. Go for some vegetable. What is the vegetable? Chinese cabbage. This is going to also soak up a lot of the sauce. Where you go for hot, it'll be really hot. If you go for mushroom, it'll taste very mushroomy. Good crunch. Oh yeah, really soaked up that sourness from the lemongrass. Oh, so good. Let me have some more. That is very, very good to have. This makes the flavors. So many other things we got. We also got some ground fish. Well, it's like they call them fish balls. Usually it's fish meat ground up. Here's like a meatball would be. Dip it in some sauce, a little bit of spice. Oh, it's very good. You know, I've had hot pot in other places before. The meats here are excellent. Apparently they're from Australia. At least the beef ones are. The fish, you can probably expect in Phuket. The fish is very, very tasty, very tender. Go for a different style fish ball. Some good sauce in here. Try this one. You know, a little extra inside. Not sure what flavor that is, but it is wonderful, smooth and creamy, along with the fish meat on the outside. It's tasty. I know this. It's an egg yolk. It's kind of like having a custard inside. It wasn't fully cooked. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Last thing I wanted to get for you, I'll show you mushroom. Now, if you're ever in a hot pot, you basically get to choose. If you've never tasted hot pot before, you basically choose whatever you want to put into the soup and to dip into your sauce. And we're going to finish off with, looks like a shiitake mushroom. That's probably what it is. Yeah. Wow. So if you do like a wonderful soup, flavoring to whatever meat you're having, this hot pot has so many awesome flavors, so many awesome meats to choose from. It is truly a delight, and you are absolutely going to get your fill at this place. It is wonderful to have. A very good place to eat at. So I think it was $4.99. Price was $4.99 baht per person, and it's worth every baht. So after your boiling is done, what you do is you pour in the soup into your bowl. You can see we also got some ramen cooked as well. Some of the extra meat, mushrooms, whatever was in the soup. And you can finish off with a wonderful ramen bowl. So tasty. You can really feel the effects of that lemongrass flavor in there right now. And the other thing we did was we took the remaining sauce and we put it in the bowl as well. Oh, so good. This hot pot was certainly one of the best hot pots I've ever had. You know, you only have to come to Thailand and into Phuket to actually try it.